Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to check your channel analytics on your mobile phone. So you would expect to be able to see the analytics on the YouTube app, but as you can see, if I tap my channel icon here on top on the YouTube app and I go to your channel, I'm only able to see the videos I created and some information about playlist and about the channel itself, but I'm not able to actually see the analytics like the desktop version. So to be able to see the analytics, you need to install a separate app which is called YouTube Studio. To do that, what you can do is you can tap on your channel icon here on top, and on the bottom you'll see YouTube Studio. So just tap on this option. It will bring you to the App Store or the Google Play Store depending on which device you're using, and here you just click install. Once installed, just tap on open and get started, and you just sign in with your normal Gmail credentials, which will be your Gmail account and your password. So once you're logged in, you should be able to see the dashboard here with all information about your channel and information about fields and comments, and which is similar to the desktop version of the analytics. You can also go to analytics here and you can see everything about real-time views. You can go to reach, engagement, and audience, again similar to desktop. And that's pretty much it. You should be able to see everything you need on this app, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.